is a good video. And this is his Rubik's Cube. Yeah, look. He did it. I'm gonna... No. Oh, sure. That. You can fix it, of course. I did not do anything bad. Look. Everybody.
Excuse, please.
Whoa. This is actually... Drop.
Please, excuse me. Bro, we both got channel.
Yeah, we got channel. Ah. If you're not subscribed to me, please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Yes, subscribe to my channel, please. I'm watching my channel. Okay, that's not my channel.
Bro, please let me.
Did I do it?
No. Don't do that.
Wait, I'm gonna get my old slime that I did not use for 2,080 days.
No, it's broken.
Yeah, it's broken. I did not even break it. Just did the simplest thing ever. I just started doing. Old slime, I'm gonna touch it again.
That's done.
This is disgusting.
Ew, what was that smell?
Oh, hell no!
Fuck! Ew, that smells like...
That was like my poop when I poop.
No, it smells like
Diarrhea?
dead rat. What do you mean diarrhea?
What was it? That?
What?
That thing?
It was this.
I thought it was the Rubik's Cube!
Don't touch the Rubik's Cube.
Why?
Because I have something to make it. No?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
You gotta be stuck. You gotta be stuck.
But I'm not gonna be stuck.
Can you please just video me, please?
Here, I'm videoing you.
Okay, thanks.
Oh! Yeah. Wait.
Stuck, please, I'm stuck.
Bro, I'm stuck.
I'm stuck. Cannot move. I cannot move. I cannot move. Ah!
Okay. Oh, is this what you're talking about?
Yes!
The capybara thing?
Yes, and I'm stuck.
Bro, just let your feet down.
I just pretended to make me happy.
Ay, na.
Bye-bye, Sardine.
Bye-bye.
No!
Let's go. Asub na ko ganyan pa do. Asub jud tanan.
Hindi si Lolo, di lang pa ito sudan. Sudan sa balay.
Asa man lolo? La, di na daw mo payat og sudan. Di na daw mo payat og sudan kay nahi sudan sa balay. Naday sudan sa balay.
Wala, nagpa-stinder og kuhan, isda. Nagluto stinder og isda.
Pa, nag-channel si Shana.
Ha?
Nag-channel si Shana.
Nay?
Channel.
Channel.
Sa YouTube channel ba? Ako pa. Naapod ko.
Napod ka?
Oh. Bintan ko pa pangalan.
Siya nagbuhat.
Ako.
Hmm.
Mm. Kaya nag-video pa man ko karon.
Hmm?
Magkuha lang ko mga video sa mga pang video na ko sa kuan sa camera. Di pwede pud ka magkuha og katong record, mag-record ka.